If you're seeing the Epic Games error code MDDLNR, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This issue is usually tied to a timeout setting in the launcher configuration, or a corrupted cache that keeps the launcher stuck on a bad download token. The good news is that you can fix it without reinstalling everything. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes like this. Let's get started. First, make sure the Epic Games launcher is fully closed. Don't just click the X in the corner, because the launcher can still keep running in the background. Look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the Epic Games icon, right-click it, and fully exit the launcher. After that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything related to Epic Games Launcher or Epic Processes, and end those tasks if they're still running. This step is important because we want to make sure nothing is holding the files open while we edit them. Now, open File Explorer and go directly to this folder path, C, Program Files, Epic Games Launcher Portal Config. Inside this folder, look for a file named DefaultEngine, or in some cases DefaultEngine.ini. This file controls certain launcher settings, including the timeout value that can sometimes cause the MDDLNR error. Before changing anything, I recommend cutting and pasting that file onto your desktop temporarily. This helps avoid permission issues when Windows blocks edits inside protected program folders. Once the file is on your desktop, right-click it and choose Open With, then select Notepad. When the file opens, use the search function or manually look for the line that says HttpTotalTimeout equals 30. This is the value we need to change. You have two options here. You can either delete that line completely, or change the value from 30 to 500. If you want to keep the setting, changing it to 500 is a safe option, because it gives the launcher more time to complete the request. After making the change, click File, then Save, and close Notepad. Next, take the edited DefaultEngine file and cut and paste it back into the original config folder at C Program Files Epic Games Launcher Portal Config. If Windows asks for administrator permission, approve it so the file can be restored in the correct location. Once that is done, we'll clear the launcher cache, because a damaged cache can keep the same error coming back even after the timeout value is fixed. Press Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type %local app data, % and press Enter. This opens your local app data folder. From there, open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the saved folder. Inside, look for Webcache and any similar folders such as Webcache_4147 or other Webcache variants. Delete those folders completely. This clears out the stored launcher cache and forces Epic Games to rebuild fresh data the next time it starts. After that, close File Explorer and launch Epic Games again. Give it a moment to rebuild the cache and reconnect properly. In many cases, this is enough to fix the MDDLNR error and let your downloads or launcher functions work normally again. If you still see the issue, restart your PC once more and try again, because a full restart can help make sure the file changes and cache deletion take effect. And that's it. You've now fixed the Epic Games error code MDDLNR by updating the launcher timeout setting and clearing the broken cache. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe and share it with anyone else having the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.